In our family, traditions are important. Some old, some new. Handed down from generation to generation. And there's no better place to share those moments than in our new home. It's why we celebrate every milestone, big or small. It's why, win or lose, there's always a lesson to be learned, and why we never stop trying. It's why we take just as much care with the little things as we do with the big. And it's why we chose a stylish and innovative home. It's a lifetime investment that allows us to create new family traditions. But most importantly, it's a place to call our own.